Puerto Rico. Beautiful, beautiful day. They say it's going to be a very, very hot day today. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the mountains of Puerto Rico to go to this beautiful waterfall that I had no idea existed until last night. I was scrolling through my Instagram and I found a post of this beautiful place, and now I said, you know what? We're gonna change our itinerary a little bit here. We have to go see it. So we are, and this should be very nice. So follow us if you want to see. Okay guys, we are trying to find La Caldera. It's a nice waterfall, like I mentioned before. We got to this part of the river, and that like deep part of the valley, because we had to climb a lot. Look at this guys. Will my car make it? I certainly hope so. And we met this guy at the river, the guy that we're following right now, and he said that he would take us there. He's lived here all his life. He knows where everything is at, so he basically says that we need to park right here, I believe. So we're gonna park somewhere here. Let's see where. Por aquí. Okay, so where that house is, it looks empty with the empty pool. That's where you have to basically leave your car and you start walking uphill to get to your destination. It's gonna be amazing if we actually get to see it, because I absolutely loved how beautiful it looked. So let's see. I think right here we have to go down. Come on, honey, you can do it. You have the hiking boots. I have water shoes. Should definitely be able to make it. So you come down that hill and you're already past the bridge. See, it's much easier, and you get to this area. So we continue on the right side. Bro, we had to literally cross all of this. Very steep, very crazy. You gotta be
very mossy. So
very mossy. Be careful.
I recommend wear hiking shoes, because the rocks and everything, something that supports your ankle so you won't twist an ankle.
But I gotta tell you, without my dude's help here, Melvin, I don't think we would be here. We wouldn't have found it. So beautiful. You got the waterfall there, you got another waterfall down here, and just the beauty of the mountains and the breeze. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. So I just got in there. As you guys can see,
in the interesting video that my wife recorded. So we have here Melvin. Gracias, Melvin. Thank you for bringing us here. Él se crió aquí. He was from here, from this place. He was born here, he was raised here. So he knows all this area. Not many people know about this place. But that's your guy right there, Melvin. All right, guys, we made it out. We made it out from La Caldera. And again, thank you, Melvin, because without you, I would have never made it. You know, that's the cool thing. That's the beautiful thing about Puerto Rico. You have amazing people here that are willing to help you out. We're leaving the mountains of Orocovis, and I'm just again very happy I was able to get there and actually see this beautiful place.